Hello guys, welcome to feeding.net. So in this particular session, we are going to talk about serialization and deserialization using Newtonsoft.Json library in .NET Core. So without wasting time, let's start the session. So to start with, I created a console application and named it at work with JSON data, and here you can go to manage NuGet and you can just install Newtonsoft.Json. Either you can install it from there, or you can go to tools, you can go to NuGet package manager, you can go to NuGet package console, and you can just type the command install package Newtonsoft.Json, and it will install the latest version for you. So now just talk about the concept, what is deserialization and serialization. And then first, to start with deserialization. So deserialization is the process of converting your JSON or any other data type, maybe XML, into C# object. So you have the JSON or XML attribute and you are converting into an object. So this process is called deserialization. Like here we have JSON data. So if we convert into equivalent C# object, if we are able to map it to an object, that will be called deserialization. Now the exact opposite of that is serialization. Here we have the C# object, and now our object is to create them into JSON or XML. So if we have an object and we are able to convert it into JSON, then that process is called serialization. And why we need JSON or XML? Because on a network, or suppose if you want to transfer your data from one location to another, so JSON or XML is the form in which data is basically transmitted over network. So you need data in JSON or XML. So now just look into the demo code. So here, to give you demo on deserialization, I have created a JSON object. It has some property name, age, is student, course, address. Here you can see it's a number, it's a string, it's kind of a boolean, it's an array of subject, and it's basically an object of address class. So to deserialize it into some object, I have created a person object. And if we go to the person object, here as we can see, name is a string, then age int, is boolean, is student, then we have course as an array, and then we have address object which has the property city and state. So we have an object to hold the JSON data. So what we have done, we have called one of the method of Newtonsoft.Json library, which is JSON convert dot deserialize object, and it require a generic type class. So here we have passed person because we want to convert our JSON into person object. So here it is. Once you call this method, then JSON is converted into this object, JSON is mapped into this object, and then we just print out our the result onto the console. Now move to the serialization one. So there again, the same Newton.soft library, we have called the serialize object method of that, and here it requires the class to change into the JSON. So here we pass the deserialize class, that is person, and here optionally you can give an option to indent your data. What it basically do, it will indent your JSON and just add the line break to improve the readability. So here we did the same, and uh, we just print the result onto console. So let's run this program to see what we have the result. So you can see this is the deserialized data. The JSON we have at the start, we deserialize, and then we print the into the console. So name, age, student, and then course we ran into then array, then we have the address. So if you can see the console, see the name, age, student, and then we ran the for loop to print the codes, and then we print the comma separated address object like city and state. And then second, here what we have did, uh, the serialize object. So whatever the object we serialize, we just print here. So you can see, so this is the, again we, from this deserialize data, which is the object, we convert back to its serialized one. So this is the serialized array. So that's it guys. I hope you liked my video. If you like it, so then please do subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.